It's your boy. You're on. S3 shit. Regular game pizza. Had a chill run today, you feel me? But we need that adrenaline, we need that near death shit. So we about to go on a suicide run on the opposite side of traffic. So if this is the last video of us, fuck y'all. Fuck it. We about to go on the opposite side of traffic.
Davey?
You might not hear from us again, but it's our last words. S34L.
It's so nice to not be leading the ride. You get to actually enjoy yourself.
I'm not bringing my speakers with me today because I don't want to carry all that weight. It's about to be 80 degrees later on today. Got the battery. Got my helmet. Time to go see Richie.
Go. Oh yeah. Where are we going, Richie?
Last mile, bitches.
Huh?
A film shoot on Monday.
Oh, Monday, okay. Yeah, that one over there says no standing Monday through Friday.
Monday to Friday, 8
Yeah. Oh, nice.
You like that, huh?
Hell yeah. Well, it is go time. We're out here. Nobody likes a Telaria rider anyway. Yeah, Vinny. Haha. Oh, nah. It's so nice to not be leading the ride. You get to actually enjoy yourself. Nice bike.
Thanks, man. That e-bike's too loud, right?
That's coming from somebody with a silent e-bike. What do you think so far, man?
Oh man, it's great, bro. The power is great. The look is great.
I think the look is just more than great. Very nice. Then over here we have the two E-Roy bikes, the Arc Hero. These bikes are just fantastic. Honestly, I really want one of these, but I'm gonna need to tune it up if I get one of these, for sure. But that swing arm can handle it. It can definitely handle 8,000 watt. We got the E-Roy crew, yes sir. E-Roy bikes showing up. Damn. One of one. Dog Park, everybody! Left, 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 left. I'm jealous? Damn. Nah, so we're out here, we're charging. This motherfucker, he let me try his bike. That thing is really, really fast.
For him, I'ma just leave it.
I got up to mode 4. This thing here though, man. Oh my god. Oh my god. Davey, what do you think? Me? Him?
Bike's amazing. We were hauling ass on this shit.
Davey was going light speed. He had the Super Saiyan hair going.
I'm telling you. You have to see Mike, bro. Hauling ass. Super 73. You guys are fronting, bro. Send my man some real shit. Shot battery. Yo, step it up, yo.
Come on, we need to get my bike like
That's
this.
it, yo.
But I'm broke. I just put all my money into the Bandit.
That's all right. We got the Beggar 3000s out here. You heard?
Exactly,
Nah,
beggar.
stop.
Oh, we gotta cut that. They're holding up traffic. Wow, yeah, it's because he's light as a feather.
Yo!
He's smoking them.
I'm going back there.
Ah, yeah.
Oh, yeah. You see, now he got the...
Yeah, it came off. He ran it over. It came off.
Yeah.
Yo.
His hand was like holding on, but it was like,
Oh my god.
his hand came off. We need a bar driver on that thing.
Yeah.
These guys was suck, man.
I don't know.
Unless he was late on it, but I don't know.
Yeah, Felix might have only been in like a certain mode.
Yeah. Some of these.
Always wear your helmets, kids. S3 way, right?
First. Safety first.
People
Probably could beat me in a straightaway, but once it comes in traffic, it's over.
White line certified.
Who do you think can beat you?
Junior,
Junior?
I think
His
so.
bike?
he could get me.
Okay. All right.
For sure.
You see it?
I will have to try because I haven't hit level 5.
You see?
Level 5 is usually when I hit my top speed.
Okay.
But to be honest with you, I think it will be closer. He might win, but not by much.
Well, I appreciate your being humble and admitting that somebody could.
Yeah, I think he could beat me.
Man, he's slow and fat. Damn. Damn, they don't want to even. They don't even want you there.
You don't want to race?
They don't even want you.
I won't do it. I will just chill. Left and back. You make sure you have cameras too.
Undel Diablo, it's Sauron.
Yo, I guess.
S3?
That shit was wild.
Yo, he's quick.
All right. Well, we are out here doing another episode of Davey's Bike Shop. On today's episode, Rob, which is
David,
brand
maybe
new
you want to
B-roll.
pull it from over there, not from here, where the tin is at, because then it's going to be more difficult to put it in.
Yeah.
Whose tire levers are those?
Mishka.
Those shits are fire, bro.
Pop
I'm
that
getting
out
strapped to
there.
rims.
Nah, yeah, that's what
I got the same shit. I changed the Suron tire with that shit, bro.
You changed the Suron tire with that?
Yeah,
That shit could never change its
And it does, bro.
Now the Onyx, that should have snapped. That should have snapped in half. Yeah,
That's what I thought was gonna happen with the Suron a couple times, man. I was
Them
like,
shits are too cheap to use on an Onyx. These rims are motorcycle rims.
that's why I wasn't fast for rims.
I did it with the tire levers.
With those tire levels?
Look at Davey sweating, putting in a hard day's work.
Yeah, right. Courtesy of me, Richie, and the S3 crew, bro.
That's the, where's the hole?
Right there. Yep, you got it.
That's how it is.
Yeah.
That's it, you're done. That's it, you are done.
How do you feel?
No, I took the tin was. It was this long.
Oh, you took it out?
Yeah. Should have left it there so that I know where it was at.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to lift it so you can see all around.
Now you might as well just start taking off that. Well, another success, Davey. Just another
You want
one.
to take me to the, where you want?
Tribeca.
Yeah, but it's not close to the, yeah, there's not close to the bridge, that bridge that goes to Williams.
The Brooklyn Bridge?
No, is it the Brooklyn Bridge? Roller, right? What? Oh, that's the thing that goes on the car. What's that called? I don't know what it's called.
We fixed the flat tire. Look at you with the Audi. Okay, you got the whip.
Thank you, man. Thank you for driving my car.
What do you think of the ride?
Pretty good.
It's already gone. Ah, it's all gone. Ollie?
All right.
Why he eating alone?
He's waiting on his date right there. You.
Yeah.
He's waiting on a handsome
Bad, I
soccer
didn't know.
Yeah, I ride it to 18th Street, show my girl for a little bit, and then ride it uptown.
Yo, guys, do an outro for my video.
I'm about to do right now too. Just sleeping.
So what's up, guys? We about to end this video, and Richie right now is putting that fucking big ass bike in that thing. But do not subscribe. Do not subscribe to Mike. Just leave a like. Go to Richie's new video that he just dropped on FranticTV. Leave a like on there and subscribe on there. Fuck Mike, but just show him some love. Peace out, yeah.
We're about to load up the bikes right now and go to undisclosed location right now. Indisclosed. I'm not sure how to say it properly right now, but that's the outro.
All right, there we go. And that's it. Peace out.
Mike, I will do the Surron.
Do the Surron next? All right.
Because I'm gonna drop you off first.
Okay, facts. Yeah, that's a smart move. Smart move. You see, Richie's the big thinker here.